Kitchen wisdom: 9 common sense cooking tips you should never forget. Life hack: employ your brain, discover essential, straightforward kitchen tips suitable for both beginners and seasoned home cooks that are bound to elicit a "why didn't I think of that" moment, providing valuable tricks and techniques for your culinary arsenal. Life hack: pat dry herbs and vegetables immediately upon purchase. Prevent premature rotting of supermarket produce by unpacking, drying, and rebagging root vegetables and herbs, using paper towels for freshness. Life hack: break eggs into a distinct bowl initially. Avoid the pitfalls of Murphy's Law while cooking with eggs by breaking each egg into a separate bowl before mixing, ensuring no shell mishaps or yolk contamination. Life hack: dice butter prior to baking. Accelerate the softening of room temperature butter by cutting it into smaller pieces, while for recipes requiring ice-cold butter, swiftly prepare cubes by placing them on a plate in the freezer for quick use. Life hack: select appropriate measuring cups for precision. Opt for dry measuring cups with flat rims for accurate measurements of dry ingredients, such as flour and sugar, as using liquid measuring cups with curved edges can lead to inaccuracies and complications in both dry and liquid measurements. Life hack: grate food lengthwise. Maximize efficiency and achieve longer, attractive shavings by holding ingredients lengthwise or at a slight angle when using a handheld box grater, ensuring a quicker and safer grating process with the added precaution of protecting your fingers with a kitchen towel. Life hack: chill briefly before cutting. Ease the slicing of meat and soft cheeses by briefly freezing them, wrapping in plastic for about 20 minutes to firm up the edges, ensuring thin and even slices for stir-fries and other dishes, a technique that is effective for both raw steak and soft melting cheeses like mozzarella. Life hack: freeze items flat for efficient storage. Efficiently freeze canned items by spreading them in a resealable bag on a plate, freezing flat, storing the resulting solid sheets upright or in tight spaces, and for quick thawing, tap the frozen pack to break it into smaller pieces when ready to cook. Life hack: optimize storage by freezing items flat. Efficiently freeze canned items by spreading them in a resealable bag on a plate, freezing flat, storing the solid sheets upright or in tight spaces, and for quick thawing, tap the frozen pack to break it into smaller pieces when ready to cook. Life hack: season as you cook and sample before serving. Enhance your cooking by adding salt gradually as you cook, ensuring even seasoning for each ingredient, and taste the dish before serving, adding salt incrementally to avoid over-seasoning and preserve the dish's flavor. Which hack did you like? If you know any good hacks, please share it in the comments.